substantially bigger than your baby.
Huh.
Oh man.
Wind's coming right at us. Oh boy.
Uh-oh. What should we do?
She's just, at the moment she's just fishing. And if she gets...
Yeah. She's getting close.
And she's gonna get a fish. Now, oh my gosh. Now, if that was a single animal, there'd be a dead bear on the beach.
Good thing we saw the cub first.
No kidding.
Because there's no cub inside.
She's certainly not sharing.
Here it comes. But I think that thing's going to come right up the creek here.
I think you're right.
So what should we do?
We're gonna stand up, I think. He's just on the verge of getting a little bit too close.
Should we stand up?
Well, let's let them eat this. And then, if she looks like she's gonna come forward, which she might,
I think that she will.
I think we need to stand up. Okay, folks. As long as they're eating, I'm not going to shut this off. As soon as she's done.
We've got nowhere to run to.
No, well, it's okay. I bet she's not going to come away from her cub. She's going to go back downstream or into the bush or something. She's not going to come at us. That's a dumb move, right?
We just want to make sure that we can still get past her.
Yeah, well, we've already obviously done that once.
Unless she was down the whole time, but I doubt that.
No, she didn't come up behind us. Is the wind in her face still?
Yeah.
This is some good footage. That's the noise I heard before. Absolutely the noise I heard before. Okay.
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 Hey! Hey! Look out! That's not the side I wanted to go on. She's just vibrating, eh?
Yeah. I should have got that on film too, sorry. That was cool.